Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I would like to show you how to remove duplicates from your chart. For example, you have a chart with two columns named city and street, and sometimes cities are repeated and streets are repeated. How to remove such duplicates? For this, you have to go to Data and find Remove Duplicates. In this window, you have to be sure that you have selected Mark My Data has Headers. If you unlock this mark, then the name of your columns will have Generate Format, column B and column C. If you click on it, then the name will be exactly the same as your column is. Click OK. 2 duplicate values found and removed. 8 unique values remain. OK. Tokyo we have 1, Sydney we have 1 city. Perfect, it works. And there is one more feature. What if you would like to find duplicates but you don't want to remove it? I will get back my chart to previous state by clicking on reverse. Now we have 2 Tokyo and 2 Sydney. Okay, what we should do? We should select or the whole chart or the whole sheet, like this. After that, go to Conditional Formatting, highlight Cells Rules, Duplicate Values. What Excel did? He inserted all the values that are duplicated with light red fill. Okay, that's what we needed. From now you can work with the data by just clicking on it or looking some information, and after that you can delete duplicates when you find this useful. Okay, I hope this video was very useful. Subscribe to my channel, leave your comments. Till the next time. Bye bye.